Family, welcome back to again in my YouTube channel Short and Bob Pixie Haircut. How are you, my dear subscriber and viewers? Let's talk about the short bob pixie haircut. Short bob pixie haircut is the chic and versatile style that suits many faces, shape, and personalities. This cut typically reaches the jawline or the ears, creating a neat and tidy look of frames of the face. The pixie element add the playful touch with choppy layer, giving the hair a textured piecey look that perfect for adding the volume and movement. The short bob pixie haircut is the great for busy moments who want low maintenance styles that easy to style and maintain while still looking stylish and put together. It is the great way to show off the statement accessories and earring. Short bob pixie haircut is the sleek and sophisticated style that exudes confidence and charm. This cut typically grows the jawline or the skims the air, creating a streamlined and accurate the face. The pixie element add a whimsical touch with choppy layer, embodying the hair with the tall and peachy texture that perfect for adding a volume. The short bob pixie haircut is ideal for women with the busy lifestyle who desire a low fussy styles that easy to maintain while still looking the polished and glamorous. It is the great way to showcase that street statement accessories and earrings, adding an extra touch of the panic to this already chic look. All hairstyles are awesome, but top of the trending style of short bob pixie haircut is the timeless and versatile style that suits women of all ages and face shapes. This chic cut typically reaches the chin or the collarbone, creating a clean and elegant line that frames the face. The short bob is the masterclass in the minimalism, excuse length for a neat compact the silhouette that perfect for the accentuating the neck and shoulders with the range of variation to suit individual taste. From blunt and bold to angled with asymmetrical, the short bob haircut is the great way to add some sophistication and polish to your look. It is low maintenance requirements make it is a great choice for busy moments on it to go where dressing up or dressing down. The short bob is the classic choice that's sure to turn our heads. Short bob pixie haircut is a fantastic and most beautiful, outstanding new look. One of the most advantages of the short hairstyle is the ability to create a illusions of longer neck and shoulders, which can be the especially flattering for women with repetitive frames or round face shapes. Additionally, the short bob can be the customized to suit individual hair texture and the densities from fine and straight to thick and curly. For those with a fine hair, a shorter bob can add a volume and texture, while those with the thicker hair can enjoy a more piecey, layered look. The short bob can also draw attention to the face, highlighting the eyes, cheekbones, and lips, and making it a great choice for women who want to accentuate their features with the easiest of styling and versatility. The short bob is the great choice for women of all ages and styles, from classic and elegant to trendy and edgy. If you're looking for the subtle update or a bold transformation, the short bob is a timeless choice that is sure to